Okay, here we go. Welcome to my channel today. Welcome to Pale Life channel. As you can see, we're gonna see how to make our Android faster, or how to make our phone more faster than it was new. The thing that you have to do is, first of all, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Just the thing that you have to do at the first is go to setting, join setting, then search for accessibility. Here it is, accessibility. Here it comes. Wait for a few seconds. This is becoming too much slow. Okay, let's find like this. Okay, here it is, accessibility there. And tap on Dexter to read an instruction. When you tap on it, there's universal switch, assistant menu, easy screen turn on, touch and hold the leg, click after point stop. All is there, but you have to touch and hold the leg. Then short is there, medium is there, long is there, custom is there. But when you buy any phone, it's on medium or long, or 1.5 second or 1.0. But if you put in on long, it becomes more slower. Look, slower. But if you put it on if you put it on the short one, it becomes more slower than before. Look, slower. Okay, here is what is our tutorial look like. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe and comment down below. Bye for now.